Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a labor complaint. First, it's crucial to identify the specific labor law violation you've experienced, whether it's unpaid wages, discrimination, or unsafe working conditions. Next, we'll determine the correct agency to file your complaint with, as this varies based on the issue. Finally, I'll walk you through the general steps involved in the entire process, ensuring you feel confident and prepared. Let's get started. Before filing, gather all relevant documents. This includes pay stubs, employment contracts, emails, and any written policies. Document specific dates, times, and the names of all individuals involved in the incidents. For example, note when you were denied overtime or faced harassment. Keeping a detailed record of all communications and events will significantly strengthen your case. Organize everything chronologically for easy reference. Now it's time to submit your complaint. Contact the appropriate federal or state labor agency, such as the Department of Labor or your state's equivalent. They will provide the official complaint form. Fill it out accurately and thoroughly, providing all the details and evidence you've gathered. Be sure to submit your complaint within the specified time limits, which can vary, to avoid missing deadlines. Many agencies offer online filing options. After you file, the agency will review your complaint and may initiate an investigation. This could involve interviewing you, your employer, and other witnesses. Be prepared to provide additional information or documents if requested. The process can take some time, so patience is key. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Stay informed and follow up as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.